Hi everyone, I was trying to create Cloud Composer on this GCP console. So I have tried like multiple times. It was failing. Finally it got succeeded. So let me tell you how you can create managed airflow inside GCP console. Okay, so what you have to do is first thing you have to go to this IAM controls. Then you have to go to this service account. Okay, so you have to create a separate service account for this Cloud Composer. Okay, so I have created this Composer service. You can create from here, create service account. Let me show you. Okay, so this is my service account. Pretty simple, nothing much. You have to go to the permissions, then manage access. So you have to assign these roles for it to create your composer. So this data flow is not mandatory, and this BigQuery one is not mandatory. This I have added because I'm going to create some projects on it. So but this one is important: Cloud Composer API service agent, then this Cloud Composer v2 API service agent. So this managed airflow has two versions. Let me show you. So this have two versions, gen 3, gen 2. For that it have like these two different kind of roles. So add these two, and this composer admin also you can add just for safety. Yeah, these four are the important IAM roles that are required for this service account to create a managed airflow. Okay, so save this, then you can select anyone from it. Let me select this one. Okay, let me do what? Let me try to remove this composer administrator. Let's see if this is required or not. Okay, so I have removed this one. Okay, so now I'm giving composer 2. Okay, location you can select anyone according to you. Image version, like I'm going with the default one. Service account, you have to select which, like I have created this one, composer service account. Then standard, any zone it will give it. Environment small, you can customize this also. Okay, then access from all IPs, I'm going to create it public. If I do this, it will become quite complex, so let's go with this for now. Network configuration, yeah, nothing you have to do here. Advanced settings, configuration, this you can add afterwards. Yeah, this bucket you can customize, like you can create a new bucket here. I'm going with the default one, and I'm removing this database retention. Okay, yeah, then create. Let's see if it gets created or not. Okay, so it will take half an hour to create. Let's wait, then we'll see. Okay, so our composer is ready and you can use it. You can open this airflow. You can check the logs and DAG also. Okay, so okay, that composer admin is not required. These three are the only roles that are required. Okay, so I will be uploading more videos on airflow and data flow and videos related to GCP data engineer. So if you are an aspiring data engineer, you can hit the subscribe button. Okay, that's all. Peace out.